Hello everyone, I have this Inspiron small laptop I got some years ago just for streaming, and it just died the other day, so I decided to take a look of what's inside. So let's get started. I'll just flip it around and start disassembling it screw by screw, whatever I see on my way. All these screws are the same size. What's that? Oh, surprise, here's another one. Now how do I open this? So after unscrewing the screws on the bottom, you just flip it over and push slightly here between the two panels, and it will start to come apart. What's holding it are these pieces here, the ports for the monitor or USB. Okay. Let's push this lock up. Okay. This is just a board with a USB port, headphones port. Okay. This piece connects the monitor to the board, and if you need to replace stuff, you can just read the model out of the label here. Let's just connect this one as well. You just pop this black piece up and remove this connection from there. So now I should be able to separate the two. Yeah. So if you need to replace your screen only, you can do so. Just find the right part number by looking it up online, and you should be good to go. Yeah, this is the battery. I can disassemble it too. I see the screws right here, the two battery screws. Okay, just push this one out easy on both sides, and this is your battery. It has the model number here and everything. Okay, this is the mouse pad. There are a couple of screws under this cable. Okay. Put this up, the black part. Slide this away. There are two like stickers here, and once you peel them off, you are able to remove the mouse pad. Here it is. Okay. Step by step, I will be disassembling the main board. Okay. So one more piece that's holding it. There you go. What's that? Is it the hard drive? It's a very small laptop, and it could only do that much. Nothing special. Just surfing the internet. And at some point it didn't even have enough space to do updates. This is the cable that goes to the mouse pad here. Okay, so to remove the cable you need to pop this white piece up. There it is. Yeah, I broke this one. I should have been more careful, but yeah, it can be disassembled. I don't need it anyway. Just wanted to see what's behind it. So yeah, this is the screen, this is the camera. Let's disassemble this one. So this is the hinge between the PC and the screen. There are these small screws here holding the screen itself to the body. Now if I want to completely remove this, I gotta use this flat head screwdriver to just take it out from these guys right here. And okay. Oh, okay. There is this small metal like lever that you push up and then pull this out, And here you go. This is the screen. Okay. Now here, if I need to go further with the disassembly, I'll need to break some stuff because there are these soldered connections that they are like soldered to the cover. It's just out of curiosity to see what's behind it. It's the keyboard. And that's it. I got it disassembled.